Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix webcam keeps turning off in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click Generic USB Hub, click Properties, click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. Right-click USB Root Hub, click Properties, click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. Second method is click Start, Settings, Apps, click Installed Apps, select Camera. Click Advanced Options, Reset. If same error still exists, click Reset. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Camera, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, click Actions, click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.